Yeah, help yourself and God send me to help you. That's her. Take your time, man. 6 is real. Go on, yeah.
VLOGMAS.
DS7.
The good in our life if you want to go ever.
What's up, AC gang? You don't know, say boy Capo there. And guys, today's Vlogmas day 7, I believe. Yeah, guys. So I'll be sick out right now to tell you the truth. I make her some tea and also give her something to eat so she can take her pill them because she don't feel so well. So I asked her what she wants. She wants some ginger tea with garlic mixed up in it. And I will always drink, guys, a morning time because that. But I feel like so that fight off any little thing where I go on. So garlic and ginger. But now I like cut up the ginger well fine and crush the garlic and put it in the pot and make it boil. So guys, that's what I'm going to do right now, and garlic, egg and bread so she can take her pill and them something there. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel, follow up on Instagram down below, and also subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV, Abbi's Madness, and don't forget to subscribe to Capo's TV. Yeah guys, I'm going to make breakfast here right now and then go give it to her. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm done with the egg now. The egg just done. But the thing is now, guys, we now have bread. Piece of bread there, but the bread are old bread. I mean, I'm going on that. So I'm not sure if I eat crackers and the egg. The tea still boil. But I carry on now and get her. I'm actually get her 2 eggs, you know, guys, because I'm not sure I'm hungry. Abby, the egg here, because I don't have bread for you. I eat egg alone.
I don't want bread.
I want bread there on there, but I don't know how long it is if I want to see me. If we eat this then or eat burgers. We get 2 eggs, so mash up 2 eggs them. You guys have me said? You know anything good have already. It's a only occurrence, people. Don't forget you say no. Down! Down!
Sebu.
Yeah. So mash up. Oh, I have to go for the tea now. People, you know, go and stay there. I don't know if say. If you can't tell her how you she can't stop
Papa, where the salt?
Just tell her, people, just tell her.
Where the salt?
Salt in the egg, man.
Yesterday, same thing you come with fresh egg in it.
Alright, that's not bad. That's not bad. Either that one and see if that one have salt in there. Salt in there, still salt in there now? Oh. Somebody's eating the egg real nice. I'll be a nibble on the egg, you know. Go watch it on the bed, you know, watch it circle the bed.
This smell like poop, you know. I don't know how people love egg and it smell like poop.
Down! Backside. I figure she don't drink. Eat up all of the thing already, so now, Abby. Tea time! Abby, don't drink tea? Oh boy. Let's look at bathroom. Come now.
Papa.
Come dear. I try to pack her bathroom, but you know I help herself. God help those who help themselves. Come.
You wanna God and you try to help me.
No, me I help you, but you not help yourself.
But you're not God, you can't help those who help me.
Yeah, help yourself and God send me to help you. That's her. Take your time, man. 6 is real. Go on, yeah. Come. Take your time. Alright guys, reaching that bathroom now. No, she go do you know.
Come on, I'm going with the nasty self.
You already share me out. After me just help you, you see? Later, come if you need me here. Guys, I'll be look like you feel look better now, but I go on the road for. Yeah, if you don't know what the video be and I'm gonna watch it now. See everybody so? Yeah.
Guys, my son, every minute he man jump up on the bed and I try to get my
Check
attention.
that out my bed, man.
It's my son, Sebu.
Big, you feel like it big?
Sebu.
That morning on it right now. She look like she feel look better. Later. Bye.
Where you going?
Leave her tripod.
Oh guys, I will say tripod. $1,700 a tripod, so
Be mash up.
so guys, you don't know when time good girl I did. I be able to have a body yeah, so we want to take up like say go work and come back tired. So guys, I'm gonna make a tripod delivery. So my son there. for now until the pain start. I'm gonna fling him off of me. Look how 7 in a dirty closet. 7! Leave Kappa shot alone. 7! I'm a 68 shot teeth more.
Right now, I'm going to try and do some baked chicken like last about a week ago. I do it, but I actually do it still. So I can't bother than baked chicken because the oven not work good. If I go actually try and fry the chicken, not actually try, I go fry the chicken and thing. So I've been a move from man.
I'm hungry, I feel, and then I have the whole of my snacks them.
You have
I'm
snacks,
give
give
them more
thanks.
food, and then I ask why I like him not romantic.
No food there for you.
Because of this, he not feed me.
There is no food here for you, baby girl.
Yeah, that's why.
She have all our snacks, them banana chips plus that's she told a while ago. Yeah, so right now I tell her to go look for some oats. So she don't want oats.
So why don't you look about oats? So you can tell
you don't want oats, man.
Sick me, can barely move. Go look about oats. Say every day.
Yeah, guys, so I'm going to look about the chicken and thing.
Yeah, I go look about the chicken and I look about the oats. But the same say that when next time when I come for me at about I've been a romantic answer. We don't know why I've been a romantic answer.
Okay, guys, soon. See the guys, you can't see the guitar sitting now.
Yeah,
I just make her milk for her.
Milk.
I'm going to get her record
Milk. And then you come at me. Come at me.
I'm going to get her oats, you know? This is our goodie bag over here. You show the oats
Even the
yourself.
sad part that you know when they get a stick on so I take care of.
Take care of what?
I make sure
Oh.
find food and everything.
Oh,
But they run him.
me and my own tea morning time.
Don't take care of.
Yeah, people, I don't think I have to go through here. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so earlier I said I got some baked chicken, but here now, that gets crap out. But actually, I have some fried chicken. I almost done now, still I put in the second to last batch and thing. I'll be running the same way. But just take all the money a while ago. Oh, they look good, don't it? Yeah, guys, so I need some fried chicken now. So we can have some dinner. Yeah, see there? Looking good, people. Looking good. Yeah, guys, so the rice looking wonderful. Look really rich and red. Guys, I'm come on, really nice. Yeah. Now give them another 5 minutes in the aisle still and go and watch them. Yeah. It's amazing. Almost like a lock off now. But look on it. It's swell up over the pot. You see the difference? Yeah. That one good man. I beg you enjoy this, man. I like. This is the last of the chicken. Next time you see me, I see a plate of food looking well prepared. Over. Food and cooking now, people see there. Share out and thing. I call it body right now for them food. That's mine. That's you know who. Abbi one and the rest. Yeah, guys. So I call it body now. What do you think about food?
The place is a mess, guys. I'm in a feel well.
Abbi, having a feel where the place is a mess.
All the time the place is alright. I'm alright.
So see your food there. You want some people today want some carrot and some cabbage cut up, you know?
I want to pee.
You want
I'm not taking an element movie tonight.
Alright, oh guys, you can't give you a movie watch. We don't want a nice movie tonight. Comment down below which movie we can watch tonight, people. Comment right now. Alright, people who can sponsor me a laptop. Tell
Yeah,
them, Abbi,
guys.
my laptop now work.
No have no sound, the laptop sound.
I don't know. No sound, I don't want people.
Yeah, but I need to pee.
Alright, come, give me a hand. See the guys, you're gonna pee. Where pee? People say I don't know. She's eating some food. She can't have some no dinner. She complains some no breakfast, no lunch.
Me have to complain about dinner too.
Dinner there.
Me have to beg you for dinner, Kaba.
You beg me for dinner.
Of course, I beg you for dinner. I'm just a cup of my own.
And then I said dinner's been prepared and so dinner there.
No, and then you say, alright, and go cook.
Yeah guys, but we have to cook. Tell her already some of that cook the baked chicken in about cheetah, but the oven are good. Some of the about the chocolate, some of the about my son, I got fried chicken, which me no mind friends still, even though more some baked
Can get
chicken.
piece of yours?
Because more look like a good boyfriend on camera.
Yeah, I'm glad it's a pan camera.
So, not pretty top.
Yeah, but I want one second.
If we say I go for
What's so bad about camera mean to me, you know?
people, look at our plate.
I don't do it.
Alright, and look
I don't do it. I don't eat.
Come, take your time. Ah! I know that man. So, take a good teeny piece. Yeah, man. Alright, people, I'm going to eat my food now still. Probably soon come don't eat.
Guys, you don't need to share with your friends, family, dog, cat, car, we're on road to 100,000 subscribers. I want to reach there before New Year. So please help with.
Chicken actually is nice. So guys, go over to comedy page right now. Abbi and Capo, Comedy TV. We have some really good video over there. Go over there and subscribe and turn on the bell.
Not only really good video, you know what will be a bad pranks. be mad challenges. And you know the same thing when I see on main channel, upon the comedy channel, yeah. So.
And skip the panel too.
I skate, yeah.
But Abby's man and subscribe to her page.
Oh, no good.
Boring Abby madness.
Oh, no good.
And Joe man app. Also follow up on Instagram.
Right down at my titty them look long in them look stiff.
Bright in them stiff like everybody juice them triangle juice. Remember them triangle juice them?
Titty juice.
Then they have right, so
I have them there, but them I have them.
Then they saw me have them more. Why do? What do you?
I get old. And so me a old girl. Right you.
Alright people. Enjoy my dinner now. I'll be enjoying dinner now. Yeah?
Okay.
Taste good?
I mean, but say that good. I agree with the boy. I said, oh, you made the gravy. I'm going to tell you that's this.
The gravy? Okay.
I'm going to show you what for fried chicken.
What?
I'm going to show you what for do.
Abby, remember say, I mean bringing in cooking words. That's true.
Yeah.
You see? I
I'm
bringing
telling you
in
when
cooking
my
words.
fried chicken for
But tell the people, when I come my yard, she start learning to cook here, because she never used to cook too often.
If you ever eat that.
She come my yard and
Remember, I was a young mother.
then now, I'm start to come back up here now. She'd have me for 1 whole summer and I feel feed me every day, so she'd have cook every day, so she's tired of cooking.
Yeah, see? I got to feed him every day.
Yeah, so now your responsibility. When they have to feed you, no remember.
I me feed myself sometimes.
Sometimes.
I'm fat.
Don't do it, I say no.
Move.
Don't move.
Yeah.
Bombard, man. Jesus Christ, people. Anyway, in the meantime, guys, Christmas tree there. Well, I never light up a while ago. Oh, see there? Yeah. Yo, my girl, up my fat now?
You're fat.
Blow it in or something? Come back, no way. Bright. Dirty stinking fat up place. Backside, man. Yeah, guys, so what me I say now? Bomba! Why did that? You must chicken.
Food bad man, you love some of that stuff, boy.
Chef Kappa on the job, you know, guys. Is it? Food tastes good. I'm gonna tell guys, I want to subscribe to a page because I want 100k, I say it to you. And people, if you're new to the page and you subscribe, just turn on the bell. Please. We want to start get some more views, so turn on the bell. When you watch the video and it just drop and watch at the same time, the video get popular on YouTube and we get more views over there, isn't it? So turn on the bell on the channel and thing, notification bell. Select all. As the video drops down and get a notification at the same time. And more time on the turn on the bell and sometimes not coming through the same time, but it'll come through within an hour. Yeah. Do that for me, man, I'll help you, is it?
And guys, we're going to take your food, I'll see you back soon.